Hello. Another day, another party. Pooping party, right? 'Cause that's what you guys do all day here. Poop, 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 and poop. Oh, he's doing number one. Peep. Playing time. We're going round and round. All right. Dad, where the cats are. You know there's cats around here. They love looking behind the shed. Hey. What you guys look at? What you guys are looking at? Oh, that's someone screaming. I heard a neighbor screaming. And I hear other dogs barking, and everybody's here. Just don't let me step on poop. That's the only thing I request from you guys. Last time I stepped on poop, I had to clean my sandals. I try to pick up poop quite often, but sometimes I see two dogs, they poop a lot. Especially this one, he poops like a Rottweiler. Right? I'm not a Rottweiler, am I? Am I a Rottweiler in a Basset Hound body? I think he thinks he is a pit bull in a Cocker Spaniel body, because he's always on edge with everyone. But then both of them think they're rabbits because they love grass. I don't know what's wrong with them. I think they fooled me when I got them. They must have been rabbits. What's that? What's that noise? I hear noise, and I'm here to guard you. Leave the damn plants on grass and weed. What's that, garbage? No, it's not garbage. Noopy. All right, Noopy. I hear dogs. If I hear dogs, Dad, it's time to defend you. All right, boys. Hey, no. I hate when they start digging, because then they bring all that dirt inside, and his nails, all the dirt stays there. Hey, hey. You know what, Snoopy, Pinky, he thinks he's an ant eater. He looks at ants and then he tries to eat them. Crazy. You're crazy. You're totally crazy. And you too, Snoopy. Snoopy, stop. Stop it. Alright, enough is enough. He starts digging. Enough is enough. My neighbor's so loud. Oh my god. He's playing, I think, PlayStation or Call of Duty or something. He screams when he plays. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on. Noopy. What's that, Dad? I hear voices. I hear people going crazy. I hear dogs. I hear cars. I hear everything. Dad, this is not the peaceful place you promised me. Well, stop eating dirt and grass, and it will be a lot better. What's this? Can you leave all this garbage around? Can you stop eating all this? We just had dinner. Not dinner, actually. Late lunch. Sorry guys if I whistle, because I try to bring their attention, and they quite ignore me when they're in their moment. Alright, guys. It's quite chilly today. It's okay. It's not the worst. It could be worse. It's about 55 degrees. But still, we're already in the third week of March. Actually, almost the last week of March. No, actually, we are in, yeah, almost at the end of March. Let's put it like that. And it should be, I think, a little bit warmer, maybe. I don't know. Alright, everyone. I'll just end the video here because they seem to be in their mood to eat plants and everything. Alright, everyone. Goodbye.